Let you know about this great, amazing offer that Alessandro has created. This is right up my alley. It's about making images for kids' books and fantasy world and science fiction, which is something I really love. So I really wanted to let you know about my bonuses for this because I have just outdone myself here. I'm offering so many bonuses, which is not something I often do, but in this case, every single part of this funnel really screams creativity. It is the Enchanted Creatures Prompts Empire, and all these prompts, all the ones that I've tried, are just amazing and beautiful and come out really well. So on the front end, you have 576 prompts and then an additional 149 prompts for coloring books. And my bonus for the front end is 100 funny sayings about enchanted creatures. I believe I have 25 for 4 different enchanted creature sets, and then I give you 25 coloring pages, and they're just so much fun. These creatures are just so much fun. And then the OTO1 is 1,577 extra mid-journey prompts for enchanted creatures. And my bonus is done for you images as Canva templates to use for covers. And I also have a video showing about creating covers and how to make them the right size. And then in OTO2, it's a collection of 2,369 mid-journey prompts for creating dark enchanted creatures like trolls and satyrs and werewolves and stuff like that. And those are just perfect if you want to create dark fantasy stories. They're very popular for wall art to sell online and for shirts and things like that. And in this one, because I'm using them for creating stories, I created you 25 story plots that are dark fantasy themed, and they're created in such a way that even if everybody, 1,000 people bought them, they would still end up being different stories. So don't worry about if you have the same plot as somebody else, because I've made it so that essentially the story will be different no matter what you do, because when you generate the images, the story will be different. So these are 25 story plots for your use. OTO3 is a collection of 4,841 mid-journey prompts for creating Enchanted World backgrounds, because you need the background stories, for all these different things, but also those are great for art as well. I'm giving you an outline about and suggested readings for building worlds, which is what these backgrounds are for. So if you're going into Kids Lit, then I give you some information about how to do world building for kids. And I give you 10 fun fantasy plots that are geared for different ages. And then I give you 4 pages, 4 different types of plot outlines about gnomes, enchanted forests, unicorns, sorcerers, and it's page by page. So if it's a 51-page book, and there is one 51-page book in there, then each page is outlined for what to have happen on that page. And I have them geared for different ages, all the way from just learning to read, and then the 51-page one is for young teenagers. So I think it's 12 years old, 8 to 12 years old. So page by page tells you how to build that plot. For OTO4, and again, you don't have to buy all of these. You have to buy the front end, and then you can say no to any of the ones that you don't want in this funnel. All right, so you don't have to buy everything if you don't want to. Just pick and choose what you want and what fits into your budget. For OTO4 is a collection of 2,372 mid-journey prompts for creating coloring book images. And I give you 400 funny sayings that are perfect for coloring books and t-shirts to go with these images and all the other images that are here. So there's 20 funny sayings for 20 different types of enchanted characters. So altogether, that's 400 funny sayings that you can use. And I have them organized uh, in a really nice uh, chart. So they're totally usable. And then the pièce de résistance is OTO5. It's a collection of 2,386 ChatGPT prompts to create children's stories about enchanted worlds. And to go with that, I'm having a live class on creating consistent characters for children's stories. Now, the replay will be posted on the purchase on the page that you have. So you'll be able, if you couldn't attend, then you just go back to that page that you got, and the video will be on that page. You need to claim your pages and bookmark them yourself, all right, before March 27th. This offer is over on the 25th. I'll leave my links up for 2 more days to allow people to get their links and sign up for the webinar. It'll be on Zoom, so it'll be live. You'll be able to ask me questions. And then I will post what I went through. And obviously, if a lot of people don't show up, I'll still be there. It could go longer than an hour if a lot of people show up. And if people don't show up, then I will go through creating the consistent characters and post that. But I've had good success. You can see I have some consistent characters here. I have this little girl here. And I've been generating multiple ones. So join us. Grab this today. You click this great big white button and it will take you to the sales page. And then this is the sales page here for the front end of this offer. Again, this is a sales funnel, and each level of the funnel, once you click this front end, then you'll be taken through the funnel and you'll be able to do your purchases, all right? And also to be able to claim your bonuses, again, in your back area on Warrior Plus, each bonus is separate. So each one will have a little blue button that says access the affiliate bonus, and then there'll be a link for you to access your bonus there. Okay? And you need to make sure that you've gotten all those pages and bookmark them before March 27th, because I will remove them from Warrior Plus, but the links will exist. But they won't be on Warrior Plus anymore. So you need to bookmark them and keep them safe somewhere where you can get back to them, okay? So I've had a lot of fun. This was something I made from one of the prompts, and I show you how to make these kind of coloring pages using AI. So please come and join us. This is going to be fun, and if you've wanted to get into Kids Lit, then this is definitely the product that you want to get. These prompts are cute, they're adorable. I made this. This is perfect for a little story of a elf that's actually a gnome child who's going into a cave to find something. So just so much fun. Hope to see you there.